boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Well, go on viewers and subscribers. How was the weekend? John was star my one did. Alright, you know what I mean? So we have to talk about something now because I see a video with Jah Cure. The longing for
my baby to love me more. What am I longing for? Babylon release the cure. You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you.
You see me? And the man start cuss everybody in the music business. When we say everybody, we mean selectors and DJ and so on, man. We're going to play the video right now.
The fuck, all sound boy, suck on the mama. Me name Jah Cure, me rich. More than 3/4 of the friend I'm in the industry. Pussy, me no need dub plate money for live. Good morning to the world. All the sound boy them out there we are talking about boycott. The $250 US and the 5 bills on the have. Use it go feed no pitney before no baby mother. Black on up for pitney maintenance. Jah Cure no want it. Last time I released the album, it got Grammy nomination. This time I the Grammy me want. Me no have no time I make empty space for sound man. Me done sing dub plate. I know my dub plate them I'll get valuable. $1,000 for dub plate or don't. Keep sound boy them and understand on yourself. And make video and talk. Remember sound I go play out. And I go have people that wait pound when you play for video uno and box on the down straight a ground. Laugh off on it too. Don't Clash Fraternity have the most waste man. Some follow back a boy when I own not even a box, a sound box now a rack. A thumb drive them walk with a plug in a people's system and a borrow money for vice artists. Uno cheap and can't afford artists that about boycott. Pussy me rich, me no need no. See God see and live it. All of them unscrupulous sound boy where here me say me want raise. Me never did a talk to uno. And uno jump up on my case. Remember me tell you, all I uno make video me respect uno feet. Me I go see how long uno go escape without beating. Me get up and me say, all producers, soundmen, promoters, everybody, make sure no one you call me, make sure you can pay me. That tennis I say. All them cheap sound boy are disrespect but boycott. Me no need to know.
Yeah, so that video, it never, to me, in my opinion, still it never sound good. And Jah Cure, please remember where I come from, you know. You see me? You can't grow on this whole like sound man and say, sound man at this and that and yo, you're rich, yo, me rich. Is this the same Jah Cure? At 2007 they released Jah Cure. You see me? Remember I just what year that? You did a jail and I sing longing for and them tune there. And the people them are real feel forward out from prison. And now you forward out, you get hype. Brother, me see the hype, you know. It's not a thing where me that want. Me didn't want to talk or nothing like that, but certain people in a dance hall me know who hype from who, but me not response if a man want hype. You see me? If a man want hype, you work hard feed. Hype. People say me hype too. Nothing wrong with that. But you can't go hype on people who normally bill you. And then again, we have to look on Jah Cure side as well. Probably someone just a Anaheim for a dub plate or whatever the case may be. Yo, me not give Jah Cure no right. Yo, Jah Cure, you should do what you do. Me, I am DJ Chaddy, I say, you should do what you do. We now back up on that one day. You see me? Right now, you need to get bench. I want you. You can't come hype on people, so I come talk about, yo, me rich, yo. Hey, Benson Click Star also have something to say to you know. I guess him have something we want to take off on chest a long time. So, pre-wet Benson officer, you see me?
See, as a matter of fact, Sean Islam is a G. I know found the producer, selector, everybody will try to stop the youth them in the music industry. Got suck on a girl, pussy. I'm never have to tell them about no mother either. You hear that? Benson Click Star represent. I'm say one click. I must say only pound to try to stop me, you know. And not even me. And only for youth, so done. And here, you see, as of today, any youth who want to go so booms and vice to click them, I want to work with the thing. Free. One.
Yeah, man. And that Ben Slash, man. Mr. J, I know say channel big, you know. So Mr. J and Sean, they must have watched that thing. I don't know if you want to address what Benson have to say or defend yourself or anything. Cause And I force him forward out and this, you know, because remember say him this in a that tune when me I go play right, you know.
Him ya bump like ball. A murder me kill him. A murder, yeah. A bloody boy start cough. Gunshot, I pin him up like jazz. Your mama boss say no kill him. Me lot a shot now your mother yes bad. Them say me can't touch yard, me send this year. Sean is a land G, get that clear. Me no afraid of no bus, me am plain fear. And me gun me a bus from close range. As in plain land, I'm a beer, me have 2 gear. One for minister, one for DJ.
So, I don't know, it look like same allegation correct. True. You can check out Ben's new album, Time is the Master. You see me? May I post the link in the description below.
Time on the master. All who don't want you prosper, them a go see you in the end. Cause time on the master. Time on the master. Yeah. The right time and the right time. My time could never be yours. Me say a long time now, so my eyes and a pretend. Time I go tell the good them from the wicked. Say them are your friend every day and your name them a live on. I just show you not see them. You tell them no and deep down within them vex you with them marks so you never get them. Them want to feel lose to them know say you winning. Couldn't tell them can't stop your rhythm.